All right, sorry. Cut the camera off there by accident.
So I got back into it. I started out pretty close to where I started again. Weekends are my cheat week and cheat days, obviously, because I am not at work. So I've lost close to 7 pounds already.
So she's doing good.
I'm doing good.
Doing good.
I'm also half asleep, so there's that.
Yeah, it's first thing in the morning here for her. I've been up a couple hours, but she just got up. All right, guys, I'm going to, like I said, keep these short and sweet today because we're going to walk the dog, and I've got some work to do today, so wanted to get this done early. So I hope you all have a great week. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and help the channel grow. Also, join us on Facebook, Debbie OMAD. We will do this together. I'm not going to do a live today, you guys, but maybe one day this week I will. Okay, love you guys. Have a great week. Bye.